Hello my dear students and welcome to the new lesson. So in this lesson we are going to learn about the conditional operator statement, which is another decision making statement. So actually we have already done with the conditional operator while learning the C operators, and the same conditional operator if you used in a statement, then that statement is called as the conditional operator statement. So you now know that the conditional operator in C language is question mark colon, and this is the only ternary operator in C because it is having the three operands. ये ऑपरेटर को तीन ऑपरेंड है, so therefore that operator is called as the ternary operator, ternary for three. And the syntax of this operator is like this. So firstly there will be some condition, after that a question mark will be there, then first expression, after that colon, and then second expression. So these are the three operands here. So first one is the condition, then expression 1 and expression 2. The any statement using this conditional operator, which is question mark colon, is called as the conditional operator statement, and which is very similar to the if else statement of the C language, which is a decision making statement. So let us see how this operator is used or it is executed in the program. So consider here x equals to 30, y value of y equals to 45. So here a conditional operator is used. So in this assignment statement we have used the conditional operator. So hence this statement is called as the conditional operator statement. So here while executing the conditional operator, firstly this condition will be evaluated. So this condition will give either true value or false value. So if this condition is true, then the value of this conditional operator will be the first expression. So अगर condition true है तो conditional operator की value होंगी पहला expression, that means x. So in this statement, if x is greater than y, so अगर ये कंडीशन ट्रू है तो x की वैल्यू z वेरिएबल में स्टोर होंगी, और अदरवाइज इफ दिस कंडीशन इज फॉल्स then value of y will be stored in variable z. So this is how the conditional operator works. So there can be any statements, any another statements or some another expressions in this कंडीशनल ऑपरेटर स्टेटमेंट. क्वेश्चन के बाद में कुछ भी स्टेटमेंट या फिर कोई भी एक्सप्रेशन हो सकता है. सिमिलरली आफ्टर कोलन ऑल्सो देयर कैन बी एनी एक्सप्रेशन और एनी स्टेटमेंट ऑफ सी लैंग्वेज. So here consider in this example value of x greater than y. So here value of x is 30 and y is equals to 45. So condition becomes 30 greater than 45. So condition is false. So as this condition is false, value of y will be stored in z. So that is 45 will be stored in variable z. So this is how this conditional operator works. So let us see the example of conditional operator statement on the C compiler. So let us consider this example where two numbers are inputted. So two variables, that is x and y, and the two variables are inputted, values of x and y will be inputted, and whatever value greater will be stored in variable g. So here firstly message will be displayed, so two values will be inputted. Suppose I input 10 and 20, so 10 greater than 20, so 10 greater than 20 will be false, therefore value of y will be stored in g, that is 20 will be stored in g, and the value of g will be displayed, that is 20 is greatest will be displayed. So this is a very simple program. So you can here observe that this statement is just like the if else statement. So this statement can be written using if statement like if x greater than y, g equals to x, or else g is equals to y. So you can use if else statement for this conditional operator also. So let us run this program. So see here, I have inputted suppose 56 and 21. So value of x will be 56 and value of y will be 21. So condition becomes 56 greater than 21, yes. So as the condition is true, value of x, that is 56, will be stored in G, and 56 is greatest will be the message, will be the output. So let us see, so this is the output for the program, 56 is greatest. So let us consider, let us run same program and give another input. So suppose I enter 4 and 6. So value of x is 4, value of y is 6. So 4 greater than 6, condition is false. So therefore value of y, that is 6, will be stored in G, and the output will be 6 is greatest. So see the output here. So 6 is greatest. A very simple program is this, where greatest number from two numbers is displayed. So let's have another program for the same statement, same conditional statement. So conditional statement can be used like this also. So here a number is inputted and whether that number is even or odd will be displayed. So see how. So value of num will be inputted. For example, if value of num is 21. So firstly this condition will be executed, that is 21 modulus 2 equals to 0. So 21 modulus 2 equals to 0. So condition is false. So as condition is false, statement after colon will be executed. So that means this expression 1 or expression 2, as I have said earlier also, there can be any statement of the C program. So here as this condition is false, this statement will be executed, that is number is odd will be displayed. So let us run the program. So see here, I have inputted the value 45. So for number 45, this condition will be false, hence number is odd will be displayed. So see here the output, number is odd. So let's run the same program for even input. So suppose I enter value 44. So see the output here. So as 44 modulus 2 equals to 0, condition is true, hence the statement after question mark will be displayed, that is number is even is displayed. So in this way this conditional operator works. So this is all for now. In the next lesson we will be coming up with new learnings. Thank you.